Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, enhancing road safety. Hey everyone! Today let's talk about Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, a cool tech that's making driving safer and easier in 2025. If you're curious about how modern cars help keep you safe, stick around. What's ADAS? ADAS is like a super smart co-pilot in your car. It uses cameras, radar, and sensors to watch the road and help you avoid accidents. Think of it as extra eyes that warn you about dangers or even take action, like braking, to keep you safe. It's not full self-driving, but it's a big step towards safer roads. Top ADAS features. So, what can ADAS do? Here are some awesome features. 1. Adaptive cruise control. Automatically adjusts your speed to keep a safe gap from the car ahead. 2. Lane departure. Warning beeps or nudges the steering wheel if you drift out of your lane. 3. Automatic emergency braking. Slams the brakes if a crash is about to happen. 4. Blind spot. Monitoring. Lights up or beeps when someone's in your blind spot. 5. Pedestrian detection. Spots people or cyclists and warns you to slow down. These features are in tons of new cars, from budget models to fancy ones, making driving less stressful. Why ADAS rocks? ADAS is a lifesaver, literally. It can cut crashes by up to 40%, saving lives and reducing repair bills. It's also great for parking and makes long drives comfier. City drivers love it for handling busy streets. Any downsides? ADAS isn't perfect. It can be pricey in cheaper cars, and sensors might struggle in bad weather. Also, you still need to pay attention. Don't let the car do all the work. What's next? By 2030, ADAS could team up with tech that lets cars talk to each other, making traffic smoother and safer. It's paving the way for self-driving cars. So next time you're car shopping, check for ADAS. It's like having a guardian angel on the road. Drop a comment if your car has ADAS. What's your favorite feature? Subscribe for more tech talk and car content.